Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR M400 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. Let's start by pressing the up button or the down button on the watch to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu and find the settings icon. Once you find it, press the middle button to enter. Here, scroll through the menu by pressing the up and down buttons. Select the watch settings option, and once you select it, press the middle button. Here, scroll through the menu, find the watch face option, and then press the middle button to select it. And right here we can select a couple watch faces. We have daily activity, analog, big, and that's about it. We have 3 options. Select the one you like, then press the middle button. You will see the message watch face changed, and if you go back to the watch face, you will see the changes apply. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.